Sending a gift card via text. In today's video, you are going to learn how to send a gift card via text. So let's get started. First, how to send a gift card. Send a gift card link a text, or you can send a gift card image via text. If you use a tool that creates gift card for clients, you can copy the link and send it with sample testing, the same as if you are sending a PDF via text. Alternatively, you can create an image-based gift card with a tool like Canva and send it individually to clients. To send a gift card link via text, log into your SimpleTexting dashboard and choose Campaigns on the left-hand side. Toggle to message type to SMS, select the link icon. In the box, type your message and add the link to your gift card. The link will show up in a message that recipients can click to navigate to their gift card. It will appear something like this. Now log in your SimpleTexting account and choose Campaigns on the left side, toggle the message type to SMS, select the image icon in the box, type your message and upload the image to your text message. You still need to include a link to direct clients to their gift card. So paste the URL into the message box too. That's all. That's how you will be able to send a gift card via text. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.